Fairy. Wow. Ganda. Wow, ang ganda naman ng dito.
Kailan ba kasi Mother Earth yung sa flooring light tunnel.
Oo nga eh.
Yan.
Ang linaw. Ganda.
Yan, o. Tapos nga ba ate yung sa flooring.
Light mo naman isip ka.
Ate may aso. Ate Enzo. Ito siya.
Ay, ahas pala to. Oh. May ahas dito.
There's snake.
There's a snake over there. What is that? A squirrel. Squirrel. Ang ganda. Para tayong fairy tale. Tin. Kita ka ba? Kita tayo? I don't know. Hello vlog. Hello vlog. Here. Very colorful. Very nice. Wow. There's a... What is
There's a
this?
chimpanzee. There's a leopard.
Leopard.
Leopard
Leopard
over
nga.
the mushroom.
Ay, kita ka, Tin. Oo. Ayan. Ganda. Yes. Maganda. Linaw. Leopard. Oo, buti ito ginamit natin. And, tuko. Tuko na malaki. Wow. And the big frog. Here's the big frog. What? Another frog. The frogs are... This place is very colorful. Iguana? What is that? Iguana? I don't know. Maybe. Oh! Ano to? Ganda. Ganda. A swan? Or no? It's not a swan. It's a flamingo. And a big frog again. With the mushrooms. And fish. We have Nemo. Nemo is here. Who's looking for Nemo? Hi. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. And there's a shark over here. There's a shark. And wow! Very colorful. Ganda.
Mag-like ka sa face mo.
And the dragon. There's also a dragon and a peacock. Over there, there's a peacock. And dragon. Halo-halo dito ah. With a butterfly.
Ganda din.